Alright, thoracic foam roller demonstration here from Monica. We're just going to start with the upper thoracic, cervical thoracic junction. So keeping your head level with your back, you just roll back and forth to the mid shoulder blade, up to the base of the neck, and back down again. Keeping your body completely straight from the hip to the ear. You can even hold the head if you have some neck troubles or strain with the hands to support it, so that way then it's not stressing the neck as you do this. But again, from the mid shoulder blade to the neck. Here in this one, we're going to target the lower thoracic. So on this one, what you'll notice when Monica does this one, she'll place the dinner roll again mid-thoracic to start. What you'll notice is the chin is tucked slightly, and she's going to go a little lower down into close to the lumbar curvature. So this one, the head is angled slightly forward, so you can get just a little bit lower down into that mid-thoracic, mid to lower thoracic junction.